use these opportunities that permit me to address the issue of Yahoo Yahoo boys that has become a major issue in Nigeria. I want Nigerians to know that we are having crisis on our hands. It's actually a crisis situation. Now, that is a national shame that some young Nigerians have caused for us.
Permit me, sir. The Nigerian scam industry has its ancestors tied to colonial era time as far back as 1930s. And in most cases, they have the tentacles tied so tightly in these diseases in the earlier colonial archives. If we do say many cases like that day, false pretense. Many they solicited for what? They were coming from India. Many of these things were coming from India. In that time, the colonial authority they come say they are so concerned about this whole thing, but people were sending letters to Nigeria to scam Nigeria. Now, guess what? These letters coming, guess the country they were coming from. Oh, if I mention this name, you go surprised. You say, guess what? Now, listen. This message is not to encourage any illegal actions or illegal way to make money. This video is supposed to bring awareness to how this matter starts, where we did, and how the future will be. Because if we point fingers, as waiting at the years, we point fingers from how many? From 1920 something, 1920s, we're still pointing fingers till now. We will not get to the solution. But hold on, let me show you something. So at that point, why were Nigerians so eager to make money through that means? I mean, why? If you know that this thing starts from 1930s, when the colonial masters did, the countries where they scam Nigeria, where they send this thing, no Nigeria to Nigeria. No. Nigerians were the victims. Countries like United States of America, emails were rushing from there like what? Like River Nile. Coming to Nigeria, scamming Nigerians. From the USA, yes, you heard that right. From where again? England. That's England. That same England, yes, where our colonial masters for come. The same England people, they send mail to Nigerians to scam the vulnerable Nigerians. And they were getting our money. Because in my research, they showed that so many of this money was already recovered and paid back to the Nigerian people and the families that paid for these things. Aside from US and England, India too followed. So these three countries were the founding fathers of anything they called inspiring Nigerians to go into illegal fraudster or fraudulent activities.